How to put ads on your YouTube videos. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to put ads on your YouTube videos, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What I'm going to do first is to go into my YouTube account on my computer, and then I will need to click on my profile picture right here. After that, I'm going to click where it says your channel. Then I will be taken to this page right here. What I need to do now is to click on manage videos. Now when I'm in here, then you can see that I have a few videos on here that have this symbol right here. If you don't have this symbol right here, then keep watching because I will explain later on in this video why it's not there for you right now. So I need to click here, and as you can see, I can turn it on or off. I have it on right now, but if you have it off, then just click where it says on, and then don't forget to save, and then that video will be monetized and YouTube will start putting ads when people are watching that video. If you don't have this option right here, then it's probably because you're not yet part of the YouTube Partner Program. And to be part of that program, then you will need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and also 4,000 public watch time hours to be able to apply. If YouTube then approves your application, then you can start earning money from YouTube and you will get this option right here. So this is exactly how to put ads on your YouTube videos. If you have any questions, then feel free to comment below and I will do my very best to answer you as fast as possible. And also don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel because I'm doing these kind of helpful videos constantly. Thank you very much for watching and I hope I will see you again. Have a great day.